Hi everyone, welcome to the introduction to SEOBrain. This is a very useful platform for managing all your campaigns, especially paid search marketing and SEO campaigns. This is one of the best platforms I've come across because it handles almost everything in one place, including Google Ads, shopping, PPC, Meta, TikTok, and other types of campaigns as well. In addition to that, it includes a range of SEO AI tools that help optimize your content and improve your website. It also connects with your Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Once you've created your account and logged in with your username and password, you can go to the dashboard. In the dashboard section, you'll see tools that include all the SEO tools, which are AI-related and designed to help optimize your website. The most interesting part, and the one I really like, is the Google Ads section, which allows you to create all types of ads from one place. It's very simple and very easy to use. One of the best things is that you can start your campaigns with as little as $1 per day budget. You can choose Facebook, Microsoft, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and even shopping campaigns. Setting up a campaign is very simple. You just need to fill in your campaign name, the text that will be your description for your Google ad, the headings for the ad, and some additional description for the ad. That helps AI optimize. Next, enter the countries, cities, or postcodes where you want to advertise. You can also add keywords. You can add more keywords with a comma or leave it at up to 10 keywords. I usually set up campaigns very focused, targeting only 5 to 7 keywords. Then, put your website link here and set the conversion and cost per click. I usually prefer cost per clicks. You can start from as little as 10 pence, and you can set the duration. This is temporary, so you can change the duration and also upload the image. Once you've set up the campaign, just click Save Campaign, and it will ask you to add a budget depending on how much monthly budget you want to spend. I usually start with a small budget and increase the campaign, so it helps me run my campaign throughout the week. You can turn the campaign on and off. As soon as you turn it off, obviously it will stop taking the payment. This is a very similar method you can apply for all the other ads. Once you've done this, you can also go to another section called SEO campaigns. This is very interesting because here you can set up your basic campaign settings using a very similar method. Set the campaign name, give a description, add heading, and also description. The headings can be changed based on your description, and you also add your URL. For keywords, again, you can add up to 10. The good thing I found is that you can set up different types of SEO campaign, like auto SEO optimization, SEO social authority boost, web authority builders, authority metrics campaign, and elite content network. Once you set this up, each separate campaign will work behind the scene non-stop over the 30 days to get all the backlinks. Everything will be sent to you by email, which I have been receiving as well, and that really helps. This is my demo account, so I haven't shown everything else, but it really helps keep everything organized. The way it works for SEO campaigns is that you don't need to set any budget. As long as you have subscription, it will continue. Whereas with paid campaigns, you need to set up your budget, and once you've added the amount, it will run those campaigns on auto. Besides this, you can also get reports. You can view the history of your ads compared to keywords. And like I said, you can also run audit for page, homepage only, or all those things.
Smart SPS, learn, grow, shine, shaping futures, one step at a time.
Smart SPS.